Why AMC went down just below the resistance, almost 20%. However, GameStop is still in green. We're going to discuss this reaction for the next week and before the end of this year, the price target for both of them, guys. And of course, we're going to discuss them live as usual around 9 a.m. Eastern time. So join us on YouTube. And of course, before that, on our Discord and BitChute, because we do always live streaming early to discuss the market and precise entry for all the stocks. For now, let us discuss GameStop for game plan for Monday because the price it is jumping. We have major news. That's why the price jumped 16% or almost 20%. However, AMC went down the same amount of the percentage gain for GameStop. So we have some kind of theory or hypothesis or whatever you want to call it. For AMC, we see that a lot of apes sold their shares and just bought back GameStop instead. So as everybody knows, GameStop and AMC is meme stocks, and many of the apes who buy in AMC and GameStop, they kind of betting that the price will go higher for GameStop sooner than AMC. And one of the reasons, there's many reasons. One of the reasons is the earnings for GameStop is coming pretty near next week on Tuesday after hours. And this is, will change everything because, of course, during the earnings, we have volatility. And if we see back, we got still negative estimate for the earnings. But if we got a positive earnings, or like at least in revenue wise, because last time we have a positive earnings, but the price went down anyway. This is will change a bit the price target and the technical level that we have to break around the 33, because guys, around this level, we need a whale to buy GameStop in order to break it. We need a major news. We need earnings. This is one of the good fundamental news that will push the price up and make the short cover. That's why we're consolidating here. Even we broke this flag back in the end of October. We didn't have the enough momentum to shoot right up. And the reason is because we've got strong seller, guys, around the 33.67, and this is will be proven right once we get our the price target over the 33 around the earnings or after the earnings in the, I think, yeah, will be Wednesday. Wednesday will confirm everything. Maybe Tuesday after hours or and Wednesday once the market open. We're gonna confirm that, guys, if we're gonna have a good reaction for GameStop. Once we break the 33.67, we got many levels to hit, which is the first one around the 38.33. And this is, will give us, let's see how much we could do here, almost 32%, or even we might do 60%. This will be a good target around or below the $50. For AMC, you see here, guys, this is not coincidence. Let me know in the comment section below. Is this coincidence like that AMC went down at the same time GameStop went up at the same percentage, almost the same percentage, around 20%? This is kind of shady because you see what's happened here. AMC, we got the resistance around the 570, and GameStop, the resistance is around the 33.67. Both of them didn't test the resistance, and both of them got near the resistance, and of course, both of them or have the inverse reaction. For GameStop jumped up, and for AMC went down lately at the same time. So this is kind of kind of a slim chance for that to happen. It's like you go outside and you see something really rare. It's like happen at the right time at the right moment. So it's kind of it's hard to happen. Yes, there's a percentage that will happen, like low probability will happen. But if it happens, is mean there's like we use our common sense and we'll say some people sold and buy GameStop, as we said earlier, because one of the reason is GameStop earnings is coming pretty near. For AMC, let's see AMC earnings. Yeah, we already had our earnings back in November, and the next earning is next year in February. So you see what's the pattern here. Everybody betting on the earnings in GameStop next week. However, right now for AMC, guys, it's still not over yet. Why? Because the $4 is still our support and we're still holding it. So it's not bad. We're still consolidating sideways here. And the other good thing is we have a big buyer around the $4.50 and the price didn't test the support. We didn't test the resistance. We didn't test the support. We are in a midway. So it's not game over yet, guys. It's not game over yet for AMC to retest the $5.70, but this is depends on the news, guys. We need something to give us some action, at least for the fundamental, to make us break the $5.70, which is the current resistance that we have to break before the end of this year, guys, in order to go toward the 680 and almost around the $10, around the $9 target for GameStop before the end of this year. If we have a really good reaction, we have to test below the $50 or around the $47. Of course, we need to hold the 24.95, which is the current support right now for GameStop, and we should hold it after the earnings because we don't want to have this reaction going toward the 19 and 17. So this is a plausible story or outcome. If the price or the earning weren't that good, we might go there, guys. This is should be the depth for GameStop for the for this year. So let me know in the comment section below where the price will end at for GameStop before we end this year. Around the $19 or below the $50. Let me know in the comment section below and see you all back by tomorrow around 9 a.m. Eastern time to hunt together in our live streaming to cover GameStop and AMC live. Thank you for watching and see you by tomorrow.